Smart IELTS Prediction and Last-Minute Strategies. Date, 3rd October 2025. IDP and British Council. Before starting, join our Telegram group for latest reading PDFs, listening audios, writing and speaking topics last 6 months. Visit our websites for free cue cards, Band 9 essays, and CBT practice. www.IELTS1stop.com, www.IELTS1stopcbt.com. Solve listening tests with us on YouTube, IELTS One Stop channel. Speaking, cue cards and parts. Tips for 3rd October. Stay natural. Examiners value fluency over memorization. Use idioms sparingly but effectively. A blessing in disguise. Once in a blue moon. Always expand answers with reason, example, small conclusion. Likely cue cards. Describe a time you solved a problem cleverly. Describe a local market you visited. Describe a book that influenced you. Describe a sports event you enjoyed watching. Describe a family tradition you follow. Describe a photo of you that you like. Describe an invention that changed the world. Describe a time you waited for something special. Part 1 Themes: Daily routine, shopping, festivals, hometown. Part 3 Themes: Technology's influence, teamwork, importance of traditions. Band 9 Speaking Samples. www.IELTS1stop.com. Writing. Task predictions and advice. Writing strategies for 3rd October. Write an outline before you start. Keep vocabulary precise. Don't use words you're unsure about. Support each argument with examples, real or hypothetical. Leave 3 minutes for proofreading. Academic Task 1 Predictions. Bar chart, education, employment trends, line graph, climate, consumption data, table, migration or internet users, process, food production or natural cycle. Academic Task 2 High Probability Topics. Some people believe schools should focus more on practical skills than theory. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Many people think rich countries should help poorer nations with food and education. To what extent do you agree? Some say reading books is better than watching TV for children's development. Do you agree or disagree? Traffic congestion is increasing in cities. What problems does it cause? Suggest solutions. Employers should prioritize skills over qualifications. Do you agree or disagree? GT Letter Predictions. Letter to a landlord requesting urgent repairs. Writing to a friend about your recent achievement. Complaint about transport service. Requesting details about a part-time course. Letter to a manager asking for flexible hours. Free Band 9 samples. www.IELTS1stopcbt.com. Reading, trends and themes. Reading tips for 3rd October. Circle key words in the questions before reading. Look for contrast words. However, although, despite, they often hide answers. Don't spend too long on one question. Move forward and return later. Likely academic topics: the invention of the printing press, human memory and psychology, renewable energy and wind power, history of wildlife conservation, cultural impact of music, space exploration, globalization and its challenges. GT reading topics: travel rules and regulations, housing notices and contracts, company guidelines, insurance details, event announcements, practice with real style tests. www.IELTS1stop.com. Listening. Expected sections. Listening tips for 3rd October. Predict the type of answer before listening. Be alert to synonyms. Cost may appear as price. Check plural or singular forms carefully. Likely pattern. Section 1, booking inquiry, tour or travel agency. Section 2, talk about a community center, MCQs or MAP. Section 3, students discussing an experiment or project. Section 4, lecture on technology or health discovery. Listening tests with explanations. YouTube, IELTS One-Stop channel, www.IELTSOneStopCBT.com. Final SMART strategies. Writing, stay clear and coherent. Don't overcomplicate. Reading, manage time, 60 minutes equals 20 minutes per passage. Listening, revise spelling and numbers before submitting. Speaking, add personal touch, speak with confidence. Free resources to boost score. Latest cue card PDF, www.IELTSOneStop.com. Band 9 essays and vocabulary, visit site. CBT mock tests, www.IELTSOneStopCBT.com. Daily study material, Telegram. IELTS One-Stop Community. Telegram group, join now. Smart Prep, www.IELTSOneStop.com. Free CBT practice, www.IELTSOneStopCBT.com. YouTube listening tests, IELTS One-Stop channel.